All right, we're here with, is it assistant coach of Jamaica College, Coach Raymond Watson? First of all, Coach, I'm going to ask you the question that I asked the Coach Price. How do you view this one? A point one or 2 points lost?
Actually, I am really the coordinator of football at Jamaica College. Mr. Ferguson is the technical director, so technically I am the head coach. So, but assistant, anything, I'll work with it. Point lost. I thought we really had many opportunities to win the game.
All right, Coach. Talk to me about the tactics on the park. It seemed like the team was a bit inconsistent in build-up. You know, sometimes they got in front of the goal, sometimes they struggled to break down Calabar. What happened on the park?
I thought indecisions and a lot of selfish play. But the moments when we did break them down, we got a lot of look-ins at goal and we just panicked. Normally we'd make better decisions, but just one of those days and we just have to work and come again.
All right, going in at the half, do you feel a bit of complacency setting, or you made it your point of duty to make sure the guys know to continue to play and step it up?
I asked them to continue to play, but when you're missing some key players, it's kind of difficult. Missing our number one goalkeeper, a top midfielder, and a top defender, it's really affected us, and we had to ask, like Gio Taylor was our normal centre forward, to play out of.
Yes, Coach, you're speaking about some players missing and that affected the game.
Yes, so I was saying playing without a few of our starters, regular starters, it really affected us, and actually asking one of our regular starters to play outside of his normal position also, I thought that also affected us.
Coach, talk to me about the new format of the competition. Obviously, you're a schoolboy football man. You know the competition through all of its changes. How do you feel about this new round of 16, 4 groups of 4 instead of a home and away knockout game?
Actually, it gives one more extra game to every team. So instead of you going to a round of 16 knockout where you just play 2 games and you lose and aggregate, you go home, it enhances another team or anybody to play 3 games. So it's just an extra game. Actually, when you look at it, you still have to win the games.
All right, Coach. And how do you go forward? How do you pick the team head up? Obviously, the players look like they wanted. Obviously, they wanted to win this game. How do you go forward? What do you change? And say something to the Jamaica fans to round it out. Jamaica College fans.
We will rebound, and Jamaica College fans, have faith. We will rebound.
All right. And how do you get the players up for the rest of the round?
It's all about mentality, altitude and mentality, and just pushing them and asking them to have passion and desire, wanting to win and the will to win. It's all about that now.
All right, Coach. Thank you very much.